How to log in into Roadrunner email account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Roadrunner account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So right now Roadrunner is actually known as Spectrum. It has been bought by another company, so now it's known as Spectrum. So after you search for Roadrunner email account or anything related to Roadrunner, Spectrum's website will open up. So you can head over to this website that says webmail.spectrum.net. Then head over to this website here, and it will directly take you to this sign in page. So all you have to do is type in your email address here now. So type in the email address that you used, then the email's password. After doing that, go to the captcha, and yeah, you can check this box on here as well if you want to. Then tap on the sign in button. Then you'll be logged in into your Roadrunner or Spectrum account. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and goodbye. Take care.